Hello, Teacher Pat. This is me, Rada from EP.2. Today I'm going to do the computer science project about algorithm in daily life. Today I'm going to do the DIY craft. Let's see what we're going to use to do it. This is the magic water sticky beads. Actually, it has to be separate color, like this. But me and my brother mix it. This is the water spray. And this is the shovel. And these are the hangers. And these are the plates. And these are the examples that I already did. Let's see the steps. The first step is put the magic water sticky beads in the plate. The second step is use the water spray to spray it. The third step is let it dry. And the fourth step is use the shovel to dig it out. Use a hanger to hang it. Let's start. I'm going to use the bear plate. We can use any color. I'm gonna use pink, all pink. First, I need to separate the pink first. Yay! I finished putting the beads in the plate. The second step, I'm going to spray it. When we finish spraying, the next step is wait for 60 minutes or let it dry in the sun or use a hair dryer to dry it. I'm going to use a hair dryer to dry it. I'm gonna test it if it completely dries. Oh, over here it's not completely dry. I think it completely dries. So I'm going to use the shovel to dig it out. Look at this! Yay! Look at this! Look at this. And now we've got a little helper over here. Now I'm going to choose a hanger. I'm going to use this hanger. Ta-da! I'm finished! We can hang anything now. Hang my brother's ear, hang a suitcase, hang a purse, hang a handbag, hang anything. I'm going to hang a bottle. That's all for me. If you want to try it, you can try. Bye.